Hi, this is Liran Zvibel. I'm Weka's co-founder and CEO. Welcome to our booth at Supercomputing 19. At Weka, we are creating the first enterprise-grade HPC and AI storage. If you're actually listening to the large keynotes here, you're going to hear that exascale storage is really about the convergence of HPC, AI, and big data. So these are the future of storage system. This is what you're going to look for a new system. Another thing that we're seeing is that corporations and enterprises that used to shy away from HPC tools are actually realizing now that in order to generate more revenue, be more productive, and win over their competition, they have to now go and start leveraging AI, more big data, more HPC, but their problem is that the other solutions are not enterprise grade, were not built for them in mind. We are actually the only enterprise grade HPC and AI solution that offers great mixed workloads. So unlike the traditional systems where you optimize for a single workload and that workload works well, so for a single HPC use case with AI, that the use case is changing continuously and running HPC and running big data analytics, customers are now facing with having to deploy a system that can support different kind of workloads, different kind of applications, all together on the same infrastructure on the one hand, but on the other hand, they want to make sure they have upgrades that just run while the system runs. They have great Windows support, Active Directory, role-based LDAP. So we provide the same kind of the feature set as you would expect from a high-end enterprise storage solution. But on the other hand, we show that we reach bigger scales and faster performance than what used to be the traditional HPC system. So if you'd like to make sure your organization is fit for the requirements that are going to come in the future, you have to go and transform your storage to Weka.
Today we're at SC19 at the Mellanox booth number 601, and what we are showing is HDR. So HDR is the next generation of high performance InfiniBand. It does 200 gigabit per second throughput on one single I/O lane. WekaIO is currently demonstrating that we can fully saturate a HDR link, getting over 22 gigabytes per second on one single HDR lane. WekaIO has been doing some great developments with Mellanox as well as our partners Penguin Computing. We have developed joint solutions to go to market. As you know, WekaIO is a software-only solution, and partners like Penguin and Mellanox have come together with us to create joint solutions for go-to-market in areas such as machine learning as well as financial analytics. Recently, the three of us did a joint solution brief around KDB+, which is part of the KX platform of high-frequency ticker trading. And we set 8 new records for the benchmark. This is a first for the industry, and we're very pleased with the relationship that we have with them. Yesterday, Jensen Huang from Nvidia had a keynote regarding GPU Direct. This is a new technology that Nvidia has promoted and developed, and WekaIO is part of that announcement. So our key aspect is we're providing very high performance I/O directly from storage through to the GPU nodes. We have benchmarks where we've scaled across 8 EDR lanes, which is InfiniBand lanes, and achieved almost line rate all the way up to 8 EDR lanes with GPU Direct. We'll be showing those numbers on our blog, so you can check it out there. And again, it's a great technology advancement being driven by Nvidia, and as I say, we're pleased to be part of that announcement.
WekaIO is an excellent solution for HPC environments because we have the world's fastest file system. We're 10 times faster than legacy storage solutions that are available from other vendors, and we're 3 times faster than local storage, even if you have millions or billions of files in the same directory. And that's really important for these high performance applications. quite often you need to get this very high performance delivered to a single mount point, to an individual client or an individual part of an individual client. While doing that, sometimes these environments require the data to be protected. For example, the encryption needs to be enabled both on the server and at the client and at all points in between, so in flight and at rest, and we provide that. In fact, we're one of the only ways to do that available in the market today. So end-to-end encryption is one of the features that we offer, which is unique to WekaIO.
Just announced the Weka Innovation Network program, WIN we call it, here at Supercomputing 19. And it's a global partner program, provides a robust ecosystem for partner enablement and solution sets. We have great offerings like training, certification, and a robust library of tools and resources, as well as turnkey campaigns for our partners to be successful right out of the gate with WekaIO. We are the world's fastest file system. We are unlike any other product out there today, and we are software only, so you could say software-defined storage, and we provide a very accelerated access to data as well as utilization to data to feed the GPU for fast technical compute. Weka does provide a very robust partner ecosystem, as I mentioned before, and with this really robust partner ecosystem, we can provide solution sets, reference architectures with Nvidia, Mellanox, Supermicro, HPE, Dell, that really enables partners to be successful and solve customers' problems. And data problems, access to data and the utilization of that data. Partners choose Weka because it's unique, differentiated solution, along with our other robust partners in our ecosystem. We can solve customer problems, the data problems that they're experiencing, to get to the answer right away. So it's differentiated for partners, it's differentiated for the customers, and we solve customer problems. We are a software-defined storage solution. We are not hardware, although we do work with our hardware vendors in our partner ecosystem. But we are a recurring revenue stream, and that's profitability for partners, and that's what's important to partners. So we offer that particular value to our partners. They can always count on us for the next year, the next 2 years, the next 3 years of revenue when their customers, or our customers, re-up on their license.
Thank you for coming to our booth at Supercomputing 19. For more information about Weka, please go to www.wekaio.